The ocean's deepest secrets are finally coming to light, changing the way we see the underwater world. Thanks to advanced technology, we've been able to explore like never before, uncovering jaw-dropping discoveries. From long-buried mysteries to baffling creatures, here are the 15 most terrifying things recently found beneath the waves. Number 15. Underwater pyramids. When thoughts turn to pyramids, the mind often conjures images of towering monuments rising majestically from the arid deserts of Egypt. In northern Africa, sand and ancient history are inextricably linked to these iconic structures. Yet, there is another kind of sand that conceals a perplexing mystery beneath the ocean's depths. In the realm of underwater discoveries, Diocletiano Silva, a private yacht owner, unwittingly claimed the spotlight with a revelation that occupies the third spot on our enigmatic list. His boat's instruments registered an enigmatic object lying 40 meters below the surface, an object that defied natural explanation. What emerged was a perfectly squared structure, wholly incompatible with the chaotic forces of nature. The implication was clear: someone or something had deliberately placed it there. This underwater enigma stands sentinel at over 60 meters in height, with an astonishing base spanning 8,000 square meters. Nestled between the islands of Terceira and São Miguel, its very location and orientation contribute to the puzzle's depth. The structure aligns itself with the four cardinal directions: north, east, south, and west, creating a stunning harmony with the Earth's magnetic compass points. In a recent development, archaeologists hailing from the Portuguese Association of Archaeological Research have uncovered compelling evidence on Pico Island. This evidence bolsters the belief that human presence in the Azores predates the Portuguese arrival by millennia. The findings consist of a multitude of protohistoric pyramidal rock formations, some towering as high as 13 meters. These underwater relics hint at a purposeful design. Their orientations were thought to coincide with the summer solstices, a tantalizing clue to their intended function. Moreover, like the Great Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, the vertex of this pyramid aligns with the cardinal directions, further deepening the mystery. Amidst the speculations and theories, a prevalent hypothesis suggests that this pyramid could be linked to the mythical submerged city of Atlantis. This legendary metropolis, said to have vanished in a cataclysmic event, has captivated explorers and scholars for centuries. Could this exquisitely aligned pyramidal structure be a breadcrumb leading us closer to the fabled Atlantis? The answer eludes us for now, but its undeniable enigma warrants its esteemed place among the top 5 unexplainable underwater discoveries. Number 14. Molinaire Underwater Sculpture Park. The Molinaire Underwater Sculpture Park, nestled beneath the Mediterranean Sea off the coast of Granada, Spain, is a captivating fusion of art and marine life, encapsulating a unique underwater gallery. This submerged wonderland is a testament to the vision of Spanish sculptor Jason de Caires Taylor, who embarked on the ambitious project in 2006 to create an extraordinary blend of art and ecological preservation beneath the surface of the sea. Molinaire boasts a stunning collection of submerged sculptures. More than mere art installations, they serve as a canvas for marine life to flourish and tell stories, evoking emotions in divers and snorkelers who explore the crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. The park comprises numerous galleries, each with its own distinct theme and message. The Silent Evolution is a notable example, housing hundreds of life-sized human sculptures arranged in a grid on the seabed. Over time, these sculptures have become host to coral, sponges, and other marine organisms, nurturing a dynamic underwater ecosystem. Molinaire's core objective is to offer a sanctuary for marine life. Crafted from pH-neutral concrete, the sculptures actively promote coral growth and serve as vital shelters and breeding sites for diverse species, transforming the park into a thriving underwater habitat. The sculptures' transformation over time, as nature's forces shape them, adds an unexpected dimension to the Molinaire experience. Coral formations have gracefully covered the sculptures, creating an otherworldly, organic aesthetic. This evolution mirrors the dynamic nature of both art and the marine world. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Molinaire plays a pivotal role in marine education and conservation. Visitors to the park gain insights into the ocean's significance and the importance of its protection. It serves as an immersive classroom, inspiring future marine biologists, conservationists, and artists. Number 13. The Megalodon Tooth Necklace. Imagine if the captivating tale from the blockbuster movie Titanic were a reality, and the mesmerizing necklace known as the Heart of the Ocean still existed. Well, researchers have recently stumbled upon the next best thing. The Titanic, renowned as the largest and most advanced transatlantic ship of its era, proudly proclaimed its unsinkable status. Its maiden voyage, a grand spectacle, tragically concluded when it collided with an iceberg, leading to its fateful descent into the depths of the Atlantic. The movie adaptation of this gripping saga, one of the costliest ever made, beautifully intertwined a forbidden love story with the narrative of the heart of the ocean, one of the world's most valuable jewels. Since the release of James Cameron's film, the enduring fascination with the Titanic has spurred numerous underwater expeditions, each delicately uncovering its hidden secrets. Now, 111 years after the ship's ill-fated plunge, an authentic necklace has emerged from the wreckage. While it may not be the famed heart of the ocean, since that gem exists only in fiction, the newfound necklace is a remarkable treasure, crafted from gold and adorned with a megalodon tooth. This discovery surpasses even the allure of a diamond. The megalodon, an ancient and colossal shark, once roamed the oceans, instilling terror among its inhabitants. Regrettably, the necklace must remain at its resting place, deep within the ship's remains. Yet, a lingering question remains. To whom among the 2,240 passengers did this remarkable necklace once belong? Number 12. Loki Castle. The allure of the underwater world has long drawn adventurers and explorers to the pristine waters of the Caribbean or the tropical paradise of the Maldives. Yet, beneath the icy veneer of the Arctic, a remarkable revelation defies preconceived notions, made possible through cutting-edge technologies that were once beyond our grasp. Picture a journey into the ocean's depths, and one might conjure images of vibrant coral reefs and teeming marine life thriving in the warmth of tropical waters. However, nature has a propensity for surprises that transcend our expectations. Enter Loki's Castle, a name christened by intrepid researchers from Norway's University of Bergen. Their groundbreaking findings have unveiled a world previously overlooked, showcasing an ecosystem characterized by staggering resilience and adaptation amidst the harsh and unforgiving conditions of Arctic seamounts. Loki's Castle is more than a mere discovery. It serves as a testament to human ingenuity, innovation, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It stands as a resounding affirmation of the profound impact that cutting-edge technologies and scientific curiosity can have on our understanding of life's tenacity. This newfound realm defies conventional wisdom, redefining our perception of where and how life can thrive. It is a vivid illustration of the astonishing beauty and diversity that can flourish in one of Earth's most extreme environments. In essence, Loki's Castle transcends the boundaries of the known world, beckoning us to explore the uncharted depths of our planet. It is a symbol of humanity's unwavering spirit of exploration, a testament to our insatiable thirst for knowledge that propels scientists and researchers to venture into realms few have dared to tread. Through this discovery, we are enriched with a deeper understanding of the enigmatic world that lies beneath the waves, and we are granted an extraordinary glimpse into the boundless wonders of the natural world. Loki's Castle not only rewrites the narrative of life's possibilities, but also reaffirms our commitment to exploring and preserving the mysteries of our planet. It beckons us to embrace the unknown, for it is within these uncharted waters that some of Earth's most profound secrets and breathtaking spectacles await our discovery. Number 11. Mystery of the Arctic. In the icy Arctic depths, a team of divers embarked on a routine mission to explore the mysteries hidden beneath the frozen sea. However, their expedition would soon take an astonishing turn. While conducting their usual underwater exploration, one diver spotted a strange, phantom-like figure moving gracefully through the water. It bore an uncanny resemblance to a human but was adapted to aquatic life, with webbed hands, shark-like eye protection, and fluid movements. This extraordinary encounter left the divers in awe and disbelief as they witnessed a creature defying all known classifications, an aquatic enigma. As they attempted to approach and study it, the creature executed a graceful dive and vanished into the abyss, leaving them awestruck and perplexed. News of the encounter drew parallels with Japanese stories of ninjas, mermaid-like beings known for their staggering size, minimal facial features, and elusiveness. Another report from Japan described a similar encounter with a ningen, which could vanish from sight when observed, appearing only at night. The expedition's discovery has raised profound questions about the possibility of a substantial ningen population in the Arctic. It underscores the enduring mysteries of the ocean's depths, reminding us that despite advances in exploration, the sea continues to guard its secrets closely. As the world watches and waits, the allure of uncovering extraordinary aquatic mysteries in the abyss remains irresistible. Number 10. Underwater rivers. The vast aquatic realm, covering more than 2/3 of our planet's surface, shrouds its secrets beneath layers of saltwater. Only in recent decades have we begun to scratch the surface of its mysteries. But beneath this sea is a complete ecosystem of trees, leaves, and cascading waterfalls. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of the underwater world. This remarkable phenomenon was unearthed by dedicated researchers in the Black Sea. While exploring its mysterious depths, they stumbled upon something that defied conventional wisdom: a river, albeit submerged, flowing along the seabed. This underwater river, characterized by powerful currents, boasted a staggering flow rate that dwarfed even the iconic River Thames in London, exceeding it by a staggering 350 times. Much like its terrestrial counterparts, this subaqueous river had carved out channels in the seabed, creating a complex network reminiscent of those found on land. As if this were not extraordinary enough, this undersea river plunged to depths of up to 115 feet in certain areas, introducing the presence of rapids and waterfalls that mirrored those encountered in our more terrestrial experiences. If this river were to be transplanted onto dry land, it would rank as the sixth largest river on Earth, a testament to the astonishing forces at play beneath the waves. However, the underwater world does not stop at rivers mimicking their terrestrial counterparts. In the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico lies a dive so advanced, so awe-inspiring, that it defies the boundaries of what we perceive as reality. Here, within the intricate maze of a cenote, a submerged, water-filled cave system, a phenomenon unfolds that is nothing short of mesmerizing. This underwater river, unlike any other, flows seamlessly through the ocean itself. Its existence is rooted in the geological intricacies of limestone bedrock, which undergoes periodic collapses, creating vast pits that act as reservoirs. Over time, these reservoirs become a dynamic blend of fresh groundwater and saltwater, an ecosystem teeming with life. Yet, the strangest twist in this tale occurs when organic matter finds its way into the trench. As it decomposes, a cloud of hydrogen sulfide emerges, serving as an ethereal barrier that segregates the freshwater above from the saline depths below. It's within this magical cloud that divers embark on an otherworldly journey, swimming through what appears to be a flowing river, complete with the fallen leaves and skeletal branches that line its banks. This subterranean river, concealed 33 meters below the ocean's surface, challenges our understanding of what is possible in the world's most remote corners. Despite its submerged location, it evokes the image of a fully fledged river, complete with waterfalls and a verdant canopy of trees. It's a tableau that sparks wonder and perplexity in equal measure. Now it's time for today's topic. Did you remember the deep-sea creature found by divers we talked about in an earlier video? Well, scientists have just released new evidence about this mysterious being, and their findings are astonishing. According to marine biologists studying deep-sea environments, this massive, pale octopus-like creature is unlike anything ever recorded. Its elongated body, bioluminescent pores, and unique tentacle structure suggest it is a species previously unknown to science. Captured on a deep-sea exploration mission using a remotely operated vehicle, the creature was observed hovering thousands of feet below the surface, in an area never before explored. Scientists believe it could be an ancient descendant of cephalopods, evolving in isolation for millions of years. However, some experts remain skeptical, stating that without a physical specimen, it is impossible to classify this as a new species. While further missions are planned to retrieve more evidence, debates continue. Is this truly a new, undiscovered deep-sea predator, or is it something else entirely? Until scientists bring one to the surface for study, this deep-sea mystery remains unsolved. Number 9. Baphthisa conifera. The workers who initially encountered this creature were astounded by its immense size, measuring close to 50 feet in length. This made it one of the largest beings ever to be unearthed from the depths of the ocean. Its peculiar spaghetti-like appearance was not the sole factor contributing to its eerie demeanor. Its movements appeared to be both fluid and spasmodic, as if in a constant state of transformation. Subsequently, scientists identified this enigmatic entity as Baphthisa conifera, a species that proved to be quite challenging to study. To begin with, it inhabited pitch-black depths where even the faintest glimmer of light could harm its delicate structure. Moreover, it exhibited remarkable fragility, with any abrupt motion capable of causing it to disassemble into a cloud of zooids, individual colonial organisms. Marine biologists delving into the study of this creature were left in awe by their findings. They determined that it was not a random amalgamation of zooids, but rather an intricately organized and multifaceted organism. Each zooid played a crucial role in its survival, with some functioning as sensory receptors, keenly detecting even the slightest alterations in the surrounding water. Others were responsible for pursuing and capturing prey, while others were engaged in the process of digestion. Despite its profoundly otherworldly appearance, there was an undeniable sense of serenity exuded by this creature. Amidst all its peculiarities, it was evident that it had discovered its niche in the natural world, and fortunately, that niche remained far removed from the prying eyes of humanity. Number 8. Land of Fire. Volcanoes, the marvels of our natural world, take on a particularly captivating form in Azerbaijan, aptly known as the Land of Fire. Here, nature's spectacle unfolds in the form of mud volcanoes, and what sets these apart is their sheer number. Azerbaijan is home to nearly half of the world's approximately 1,000 mud volcanoes, totaling around 400 in all. These unique geological wonders orchestrate awe-inspiring performances, where their eruptions send colossal columns of fire and flames, rocketing hundreds of feet into the expansive sky. However, what truly boggles the mind is the source of this fiery spectacle: the abundant reserves of natural gas and oil that lie beneath the Earth's surface in this region. In essence, Azerbaijan's mud volcanoes are nature's fire events, sustained by the vast underground reserves of hydrocarbons. This perpetual supply ensures that these explosive displays of natural power will continue to captivate and amaze, offering a relentless reminder of the Earth's hidden forces. While the sight of these eruptions is undoubtedly mesmerizing, it is crucial to approach them with caution. Their eruptions are not only breathtaking but also perilous. As travelers contemplate peaceful vacations by the shores of the Caspian Sea, they must remain vigilant. These eruptions are as unpredictable as they are dangerous, a reminder that nature, in all its beauty and grandeur, also commands respect and prudence. In the land of fire, where the Earth's fiery heart pulses close to the surface, the boundary between fascination and peril is blurred. It is a place where the forces that shape our world play out on a grand stage, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape and a vivid imprint on the memories of those who witness nature's pyrotechnic display. So, as you contemplate a serene retreat by the Caspian Sea, remember to keep a respectful distance from these explosive marvels, for even in their beauty, they are a reminder of the untamed power that resides within the Earth. Number 7. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western North Atlantic Ocean infamous for mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, it has puzzled and terrified people for decades. Vincent Gaddis coined the term Bermuda Triangle in the mid-20th century, but strange occurrences in the area trace back centuries. Christopher Columbus reported compass anomalies in 1492 during his voyage through the region. Notable incidents include Flight 19, where 5 United States Navy bombers and a rescue plane vanished without a trace, the USS Cyclops, a naval cargo ship, and National Airlines Flight 441, which disappeared mysteriously. Even a buoyant cabin cruiser named Witchcraft vanished unexpectedly. The Bermuda Triangle has spawned various theories, including magnetic anomalies, the influence of the Gulf Stream's turbulent waters, methane hydrates causing dangerous conditions, inexperienced crews, extraterrestrial involvement, time warps or vortices, and historical piracy in the Caribbean. Despite these theories, the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries remain largely unsolved, continuing to intrigue and perplex the world. Number 6. The bottom of the Baltic Sea. In the depths of the Baltic Sea, an enigmatic phenomenon known as the Baltic Sea anomaly has intrigued explorers and scientists since its discovery in 2011. The Ocean X diving team, led by Peter Lindbergh and Dennis Asberg, stumbled upon this mystery while on a treasure-hunting expedition in the northern Baltic Sea. Their sonar equipment detected a massive 60-meter-wide circular object on the ocean floor, unlike anything they had encountered before. What makes the anomaly so intriguing is its unusual features, including ramps, stairways, and structures that defy conventional underwater geology. The Ocean X team returned the following year to investigate further, but faced unexplained electrical interference that hindered their efforts. Since its discovery, the Baltic Sea anomaly has fueled speculation and various theories. Some suggest it could be a portal to another world, while others propose it might be the wreckage of an alien spacecraft. Comparisons to Stonehenge have been made due to its unexplained characteristic. To shed light on the anomaly's nature, rock samples were collected and analyzed, revealing a mix of granite and sandstone. However, an unexpected geological outlier, a loose piece of basaltic or volcanic rock, added to the mystery. Intriguingly, there are plans to allow wealthy tourists to explore the anomaly up close through submarine tours, providing a unique opportunity to witness this maritime enigma firsthand. The Baltic Sea anomaly continues to captivate the imaginations of adventurers and researchers alike, offering a glimpse into the deep and mysterious world beneath the waves. Number 5. The Red Tide. The ominous phenomenon known as the red tide casts a spectral shadow over coastal waters. Its silent approach belies the catastrophic consequences it brings. Initially, it paints the serene waters with a subtle discoloration, transforming them into a haunting crimson hue reminiscent of spilled blood. Behind this ominous transformation lies a microscopic menace: algae. These insidious microorganisms release toxins that, when unleashed, wreak havoc on marine life, humans, and entire ecosystems. The red tide is an unyielding force, extending its dominion for weeks and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Its toxic presence reverberates through the food chain as unsuspecting marine creatures, from fish to apex predators like dolphins and sharks, ingest the deadly algae. But it doesn't stop with marine life. Human health also falls victim to its malevolence. Those unfortunate enough to encounter the red tide may suffer from respiratory issues and various ailments. What makes this natural catastrophe all the more eerie is its silent onset. It can stealthily creep ashore, descending upon communities with little warning. Once entrenched, it defies containment, leaving communities helpless against its relentless advance. Even the foamy remnants that grace the shores bear deadly cargo, corroding the feathers of birds and sentencing them to a gruesome fate in the toxic waters. Despite its catastrophic nature, the red tide possesses a haunting allure, captivating the curiosity of scientists, inspiring artists, and beckoning adventurers. This paradoxical phenomenon invokes both admiration and dread, serving as a poignant reminder of the immense power wielded by the natural world. Number 4. The immortal jellyfish. The most harrowing ordeal of the human experience is coming face to face with our own mortality. That's why many feel that the quest for immortality is the holy grail for mankind. Recently, in the hopes of getting closer to that goal, scientists have turned to an unlikely source, a jelly-like creature that floats in the ocean. This incredible animal is Turritopsis dohrnii. It is a unique species of jellyfish first found in the Mediterranean Sea and described in the 1880s. Its remarkable capabilities are perfectly described by its nickname, the immortal jellyfish. At 4.5 centimeters in length, it is really small, about the size of your pinky nail. It has up to 90 tentacles and a transparent bell that houses a bright red stomach in the middle. So, how did this tiny creature achieve immortality? It's probably not what most of us think of when we yearn for a long life, but it is nonetheless an amazing survival mechanism. Whenever this animal is threatened or injured, it reverts to a previous developmental stage. It becomes a polyp. Think of it as a reset button, with the added benefit of keeping its genetic material intact. This reset button creates a polyp colony that eventually buds and releases medusae that are an exact genetic copy of the original jellyfish. How awesome and weird is that? I'm just not sure if humans can ever make use of this concept, but that doesn't make it any less awesome. Number 3. The ice-cold finger of death. This chilling phenomenon unfolds with the descent of supercooled, hypersaline brine water from the surface of the frigid Arctic or Antarctic seas, where temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling -20 degrees Celsius or below. In stark contrast, just beneath the icy surface, the sea remains at a relatively milder -1.9 degrees Celsius. This dramatic temperature gradient sets the stage for a captivating natural spectacle. Heat, ever eager to escape the warmer depths, rises from the ocean's interior, giving rise to a mesmerizing transformation. As the frigid brine water descends, it starts to crystallize, forming the basis for a unique phenomenon known as a brinacle. The brinacle takes shape as the descending plume of supercooled brine water forms a delicate tube, encapsulating everything in its path. This mesmerizing, icy finger of death slowly extends downward, creating an otherworldly spectacle in the undersea realm. Both the Arctic and Antarctic regions serve as the stage for these eerie brinicles, contingent upon relatively calm conditions that allow their formation. Once these icy fingers of death reach a critical size and mass, they commence their descent toward the sea floor, where a world of cold water creatures awaits. For these marine denizens, adapted over millennia to the frigid and challenging marine environment, encountering a brinacle is a perilous fate. They are powerless against the brinicle's icy embrace, which swiftly overtakes them, rendering them immobile. The brinicle's relentless progress transforms them into unwitting passengers on an undersea ice floe, forever bound by its frozen grip. The brinacle, a hauntingly beautiful yet deadly natural phenomenon, serves as a stark reminder of the harsh and unpredictable nature of life in the polar oceans. It showcases the incredible power of nature to create both wonder and danger in the most extreme and remote environments on our planet. Number 2. The locomotive graveyard. New Jersey, a state known for its iconic diners, Atlantic City, and as the birthplace of Frank Sinatra, holds a hidden secret beneath its coastal waters, an enigmatic locomotive graveyard. This submerged mystery, discovered in 1985 off the shores of Long Branch, has perplexed researchers and history enthusiasts alike. What makes it even more puzzling is that these trains, dating back to the 1850s, have no documented construction records or reports of their disappearance. It's as if they vanished from history, only to resurface beneath the waves centuries later. The underwater train cemetery has fascinated scientists and historians for decades, giving rise to a plethora of theories regarding its submersion. Some speculate that the trains were being transported on a barge that capsized during a violent storm, causing them to plummet to the ocean floor. Others propose a more deliberate act, suggesting that the trains were intentionally discarded into the ocean to prevent the barge from sinking under their weight. However, perhaps the most chilling theory revolves around the notion that the trains were intentionally dumped into the sea to erase evidence connected to a crime. This ominous hypothesis has fueled rumors of concealed treasures and long-forgotten transgressions, adding a layer of intrigue to the underwater enigma. What amplifies the mystery is the exceptional preservation of these locomotives. Despite spending over 160 years submerged beneath the ocean's depths, while they may be cloaked in rust, their structural intricacies remain remarkably intact, serving as a testament to the sea's ability to safeguard even the most ancient relics. The locomotive graveyard, with its rust-covered but still discernible train carriages, remains a puzzle to this day, offering no definitive answers regarding how and why these trains met their watery end. As researchers continue to delve into the secrets of this submerged world, it stands as a poignant reminder that the depths of our oceans conceal countless mysteries and untold stories, waiting to be unearthed and woven into the tapestry of our understanding of history. Number 1. Statue of Jesus. Descending into the frigid depths of Lake Michigan, you find yourself surrounded by dark, icy waters, a world of obscurity and quietude. Yet, amidst this watery obscurity, a distant flickering light beckons you forth. As you draw closer, what emerges from the murky depths is nothing short of breathtaking. A colossal 10-foot marble cross, standing as a sentinel of faith in the heart of this aquatic abyss. Resting atop this magnificent cross, a life-sized representation of Jesus appears in eternal repose, casting an ethereal glow upon the subaquatic scene. The submerged wonder that is this remarkable statue tells a poignant tale of resilience, faith, and the enduring power of memory. Commissioned by a grieving family who had suffered the tragic loss of their young son, the statue was conceived as a tribute to his memory, a testament to their enduring love. However, as fate would have it, the statue endured significant damage during its journey to the United States, rendering it a mere shadow of its former self. Yet, when most would have relinquished hope, a group of divers emerged as the custodians of this fractured yet resilient symbol. They perceived the profound significance embedded within the statue's form and realized its potential as a poignant memorial for fellow divers who had lost their lives exploring the enigmatic waters of Lake Michigan. With unwavering determination, they acquired the damaged statue and embarked on a mission to grant it a new purpose. Gently, they lowered it into the tranquil depths of the lake, a final resting place that would forever bind it to the aquatic realm. Now, submerged beneath the lake's surface, the statue has transformed into something far greater than a mere memorial. It has become a symbol of hope, faith, and human resilience. As you swim alongside this magnificent monument, the weight of the waters above cannot dampen the profound sense of reverence and wonder that envelopes you. The statue has transcended its original purpose and now serves as a beacon of solace, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who dare to venture into the depths. It has captured the hearts and imaginations of all who encounter it, inspiring contemplation and reflection in the quietude of Lake Michigan's hidden realm. Exploring the ocean's depths is always an adventure. You never know what incredible discoveries await. Whether you're a seasoned diver or simply fascinated by the mysteries of the deep, the underwater world is full of surprises. Keep your eyes open, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.